Good evening, everyone. Today we'll be having a talk about JavaScript for Harmony OS. Like we will check what is Harmony OS and why the JavaScript has been used as one of the development language in the Harmony OS. So there will be two sessions. Like one is introduction of Harmony OS and Harmony HMOS and the JavaScript. How the JavaScript has been used in the Harmony OS. Mm. If you check what is Harmony OS, like Harmony OS is the feature-proof distributed operating system open to you as part of an initiative of all scenario strategy. Means the OS which fits for the all of your scenarios. If you are an end user, Harmony OS integration integrates your various smart devices to improve the fast connectivity capability and collaboration resource sharing among them. Means if you are using the devices, multiple devices of this Harmony OS, you can integrate all those devices to the one and you can create a kind of a super device kind of thing, and you can share your resources among the devices also. And if you are an application developer, Harmony OS use the distributed technology to make your application development possible on different devices form. Means Harmony OS is supported for all scenario strategies, so it supports for multiple devices, like even for the mobile, TV, large screen, and even for the wearables, watch, all those things. So if you're an application developer, Harmony OS provides the framework where you can use one framework to develop for all type of the devices. And if you are a device developer, Harmony OS uses the component-based software design to trial itself to your particular device form based on their resource capabilities. So you can customize the Harmony OS, as Harmony OS is the open source project. You can customize the Harmony OS according to your device capability. So as part of the Harmony OS development, it supports development of application. Currently, it supports with the two language. You can develop with Java, and as well as it supports with the JavaScripts. Why we need JavaScript for the Harmony OS means because as it is told that Harmony OS supports for all scenario OS, so it supports even for the smaller IoT device and with the high-end devices like phone and all. So you need the common language where you can develop the application for all those devices. So where the JavaScript comes, and for making it faster development. So JavaScript has been introduced as part of the programming language for application development of Harmony OS. So if you check the Harmony OS application development structure, where the application structure, how it will be like the app.js, like here it shows the structure, how the application files are managed and how the resources are managed. All those things it shows in this structure. So the application.js file manage the global JavaScript logic and application lifecycle. Means this is the entry file for the Harmony OS JavaScript application. And we have the pages directory where you will be keeping your application pages, like your screens, application screens, where you have, for example, in this they have the two screens, index and the detail screen. So all those resources required for index and all the resources required for detail screen, you will be having those files inside this folder. Like if you check Harmony OS supports same to the web application development kind of thing, where you will be having in HTML, in web you will be calling this one as an HTML, but in Harmony we call this one as an HML, Harmony markup language, where because this when you are developing the application, it is not same as when you develop the web. You need some customized tags, like how you will use a div, span, all those things in the web. So in Harmony also framework also we have those tags. With that we have some additional tags also, because if you are developing for the devices, you need a capability for the accessing the system resources, all those things. So we have the customized tags also for developing the application. So that only we call this one as an HML. And similar to that, for this controlling the UI, you can write the backend logic with the JavaScript. And similar to how you want to design your tags, you can have the styles in the CSS file. So these three files combines and forms one screen, means one page. So similar to pages, we have the common where you can write your common code and the common resources, whatever you need, you can keep here and you can access those in your screens. Like as I told, it is an application development framework where you will be developing for the application screens. So one screen can one screen can have multiple container. Container is nothing but where you will be adding your components. You can develop your components and you can add those containers and add that container to the pages. So it comes as a component driven development kind of thing, where each and every part of your screen is a component. And you have the resources where you can keep all the resources required for your application. And even it supports the internationalization, like where you can define develop the application with the multiple language support. So this is the full application structure where you can define for your HarmonyOS JavaScript application. As I told, this HarmonyOS JavaScript comes as part of an component methodology where each and every part, like when you are developing any of the application screen, even the button, text, everything, each and everything it will be called as a component. Component is, it can go for the lower level is a component, and higher level it comes to the screen and the component container. So HarmonyOS provides all the default components required for application development, like text, button, list, all the reusable components, whatever required for the application development, HarmonyOS provides by default. And some when you have in the HTML, when you want to develop any of the page, if you want to have a list view kind of thing, you may need to write your HTML fully from the scratch, and it will take more time. But as part of the HarmonyOS JavaScript framework itself, that combined all those functionalities and given as part of a framework as a component, so that for the application developer it makes easier for you to develop your application and in the faster way. So you no need to write each and every part. So you can use the components which are provided as part of the framework itself, and you can develop your application. Even HarmonyOS JavaScript framework, it provides the accessibility for the system resources or system services, where because when you are developing for the mobile, you need access for the notification, vibration, sensor data, all those details you should be able to get that in your JavaScript itself. You no need to write any of your native language codes to get those data. So HarmonyOS JavaScript framework provides those provides those capabilities in the JavaScript itself, so that you can directly call those methods and get those data in your JavaScript itself. So all the system capabilities can be accessed from the JavaScript itself. Same vibration network, all those details can be get, and even even you can write the native code and you can interact with the native code from the JavaScript itself. That option also is provided by the Harmony framework for the JavaScript. So now we will check from where you can get the details about the HarmonyOS JavaScript development documents. You can directly go to the developer.harmonyos.com, and in the document section, you can refer for the JS API reference. So here you can see, as part of the high level, they had given the 3 cases where you develop the application for the smartphone, tablet, and smart TV and wearables. And if you want to develop for the light wearables, which has less resources, this same framework you can use it and develop it. And even if you want to develop the service widget development, also you can use the same framework for developing it. So if you check the framework, as part of the framework level, they define same as I explained, like where it will show the structure of the application, whatever you want. And if the syntax is same like HTML, you'll be using CSS, you'll be using for the styling, and JavaScript for your backend code for the your screen. And it also provides the lifecycle controlling, where you can control the life cycle, like when it is shown, when what operation you need to perform, when it is hidden, when it is destroyed. All those lifecycle capabilities also is provided as part of the JavaScript itself, so that you can control your application behavior. And as I told, it is a fully component driven framework, where it tells like as part of the component, like when you're writing as an HTML, you'll be having the multiple things, where you'll be having the attributes like class, source, all those things, attributes, and you will be having the styles, where you will be having the CSS, and you can write the styles also for your div. And you'll be having the event, like for example, you have the button or a div, and you want to bind some event like click event. So those events, and some methods, whatever exposed by the components. So these are the common attribute, style, event, methods, all those available as part of the common components. It has been shown here. And container components, like as I told, the Harmony framework has given the components where you can use it directly and develop your application faster. So the list, pop-up, dialog, all those things like stack, all those things, as it will come as a container components, where you can use this container and place your components inside those containers. So you can see all the reusable components. It has been provided as part of the Harmony framework itself. And the basic components, whatever required for your screen design, where button, chat, divider, image, label, each and every part, whatever required for your application development, it has been provided as a component. And even they provided the media component, where you can access the camera of the device, or as well as you can play the video from your JavaScript application itself. And even for doing the rich UI design, it provides the canvas components also, where you can write your canvas code logic and directly use the system capability. And this for the grid component, where you will be having the table and the grid part. And as this provides as part of an component driven part, you can develop some custom components also, where it can be reused in multiple pages, so that you will be developing one component which needed for the all the pages. Like for example, when you are developing your application, you think that the button of your application pages should be same, so you can develop your common button component, and you use use that common button component in all of your applications. So like this also, you can develop the common component, and you can reuse it among the pages. And even it provides the APIs for accessing the files, and whatever window, timer, animation, all those it provides as part of the framework itself. And like as I told, even it provides the interface with the Java also, where you can access the Java methods from the JavaScript, and show those results in your JavaScript screen itself. This is the documents of JavaScript for Harmony OS. Thank you.